Che c'è con
Devi una che come magari. Io giocavo però quando Vediamo. Corey. Alright, let me tell you too. You walk past. Ready? Hey boy, hey! Come on, man. Alright, stop Alton. Come on. Come on.
Big boy. Remember if you like the video, people, and subscribe for your first time over here. So check out Paradise Nation for the big boy episodes, as well as Richard Brown Films BTS. Yeah. And yeah, so I want to catch all the candid moments then.
Come on.
Get through this.
Walk back now, walk back. Alton, ready again? Hey boy.
Come here now, big boy.
Come on, man.
I don't say I want to inform. I hope I still first and I may have the money. Like get money at the furniture. What? Yeah, see I get. Any of Boy, we have been sitting that by the good.
Come back now, but come walk now. You walk it, you fight. Alright. Alton, wait. Come on, stay right this Alton and walk. Come to me and make him walk off. Ready?
You are in there. You need money?
They give you money? Get them first. Come on, we don't.
Kind of love you. If I give money for a long time.
Give me. We don't know. Go back again.
Come back.
And I make him run like my idiot. If you give money, I'm not friend again, I'm no idiot.
Let's walk off. Ready now.
Come on. Where you going? Come on right now. What? What's it asking? Ready. No, I'm not saying you have but it's when you're when you're in the boy there. I fight and me a party now. You know, so you put on the one piece of that part, but that's the my mother tell me some man team for now. My mother tell me team. I know say I glass. But if you go anywhere and find that money, see nobody with the 5,000 and the 4, 1, right? Let me know. Right, big boy?
Anybody will sit
100,000, you know what?
Everybody will sit
100,000 is Dubai. Returning that money. I tell you,
I want name 100,000.
one. Give me one for your finger. This year one. So you see because you name big boy. If you find it, me I give you them your money. Them your money, that's a 500,000. Everybody else got it 100,000, you get 5. Just find out if it. I keep back and come and give 500,000. Yeah man. So that's the thing.
What 500,000 can buy? You can buy one big truck.
You can buy you.
So as you know, people, is a Big Boy episode that is being shot right now.
You can buy about 50 for the pasta.
Just a kind reminder to like the video
Go on and find it.
and subscribe. It's the first time.
If you can't, I'm going to give pasta. After me give the money when last can buy it, cutie back. But the money when I give you can buy back cutie. But find the money can come.
Alright. You never catch me laughing with you.
I'm not cut you, but you have to cut you.
Cover my face. Alright.
You want one more punch? You can. You want a punch? You want a punch? Where do I get a punch from them? You want a punch? You want a punch?
Lillian rude.
Hold on. My thumbnail.
How much?
See that at the age.
I've met a teenage because I'm
Exactly. So I tell you, this is a picnic. How you raise them. It's when they
spoil them.
spoil.